How to use Bigo Live hashtags for maximum reach. Imagine having the power to instantly appear in front of thousands of potential viewers with just a few strategically chosen words preceded by a simple symbol. While most streamers treat hashtags as an afterthought randomly, throwing together popular tags without any real strategy, the top 1% of Bigo Live creators have cracked the code on hashtag optimization, using these digital breadcrumbs to guide massive audiences directly to their streams. In the next 10 minutes, we'll reveal how a properly crafted hashtag strategy can be the difference between streaming to an empty room and building a thriving community of engaged viewers. Welcome to this Duel of Concepts deep dive, where we'll decode the hidden science behind Bigo Live's hashtag algorithm and transform you from a hashtag amateur into a discoverability master. Before we dive into advanced strategies, let's establish the fundamental mechanics of how hashtags actually function within Bigo Live's ecosystem. Unlike social media platforms where hashtags simply categorize content, Bigo Live hashtags serve as active discovery tools that directly influence your stream's visibility in real time. When users search for specific topics or browse trending categories, the platform's algorithm uses your hashtags as primary ranking factors to determine whether your stream appears in those results. The critical insight most streamers miss is that hashtags on Bigo Live aren't just labels. They're strategic signals that communicate to the algorithm exactly what type of audience should see your content. Use relevant hashtags in your stream descriptions, as this can make your stream discoverable when someone is searching for that particular topic. This means every hashtag choice represents a conscious decision about which audience segments you want to target and compete for. Understanding Bigo Live's discovery algorithm reveals why hashtag strategy matters so much. The platform uses a complex ranking system that considers factors like viewer engagement rates, stream duration, concurrent viewership, and yes, hashtag relevance and competition levels. Streams with well-optimized hashtags that match user search intent receive algorithmic boosts that can exponentially increase their visibility compared to streams using generic or irrelevant tags. The foundation of any successful hashtag strategy begins with comprehensive research into your niche and target audience behavior. Watch Bigo Live's trending section and keep an eye on popular hashtags. When you spot a trend that aligns with your content, you can capitalize on existing audience interest rather than trying to create demand from scratch. Effective hashtag research involves analyzing three distinct categories: broad industry tags, niche-specific tags, and emerging trend tags. Broad tags like hashtag music or hashtag gaming have massive search volumes, but also intense competition. Niche tags like hashtag acoustic guitar or hashtag mobile legends have smaller audiences, but much higher engagement rates from genuinely interested viewers. Emerging trend tags offer temporary opportunities to capture audience attention before they become oversaturated. The most successful Bigo Live streamers maintain running lists of hashtags organized by category and performance metrics. They track which hashtags consistently drive quality viewers to their streams versus those that attract low engagement traffic. This data-driven approach transforms hashtag selection from guesswork into strategic decision-making based on actual results. Timing plays a crucial role in hashtag effectiveness that most creators completely overlook. Since they're already popular, you don't need to put in extra effort to earn visibility. All you have to do is join and use relevant hashtags or keywords, and users will find your content as they browse through the platform. However, the optimal time to leverage popular hashtags depends on your competition level and audience activity patterns. Peak usage hours for specific hashtags vary dramatically based on audience demographics and content types. Gaming hashtags might peak during evening hours when players are most active, while music hashtags could see highest engagement during commute times when people seek entertainment. Understanding these patterns allows you to time your streams to maximize hashtag effectiveness. When your target audience is most actively searching, seasonal and event-based hashtag strategies can provide massive visibility boosts. When executed properly, major holidays, sporting events, gaming releases, and cultural moments create temporary hashtag opportunities with elevated search volumes. Savvy streamers prepare content calendars that align their streaming schedules with these hashtag opportunities, capturing audience attention during peak interest periods. The art of hashtag combination separates amateur from professional approach to Bigo Live discoverability, rather than randomly selecting individual tags. Strategic streamers craft hashtag combinations that work synergistically to target multiple audience segments simultaneously. This approach involves understanding how different hashtag types complement each other to maximize overall reach. Effective hashtag combinations typically include one broad category tag, 2 to 3 niche-specific tags, and one trending or event-specific tag. This balance ensures you compete in high-volume searches while also capturing highly engaged niche audiences. The key is ensuring all tags remain genuinely relevant to your content algorithm. Penalties for hashtag spam can severely damage your Location-based hashtags represent an underutilized opportunity for many Bigo Live streamers, including city, region, or country. Hashtags can help you capture local audiences who prefer supporting creators from their geographic area. This strategy proves particularly effective for streamers in smaller markets with less competition than global hashtags. Cross-platform hashtag research provides competitive intelligence that most creators ignore. Studying which hashtags drive engagement on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube within your content category reveals audience interests and trending topics you can adapt for Bigo Live. This cross-pollination approach helps you stay ahead of trends rather than reacting after they've already peaked. Hashtag performance analysis requires consistent monitoring and adjustment based on actual results rather than assumptions. The most successful streamers track metrics like average viewer count, engagement rates, follower growth, and gift receipts associated with specific hashtag combinations. This data reveals which tags consistently deliver valuable audiences versus those that generate empty views. Advanced hashtag analytics involve understanding viewer behavior patterns associated with different tag types. Audiences discovering your stream through gaming hashtags might have different spending patterns and engagement preferences compared to those finding you through music tags. Tailoring your content and calls to action based on your hashtag-driven audience composition can significantly improve monetization results. The concept of hashtag lifecycle management addresses how tag effectiveness changes over time. Popular hashtags experience predictable phases: emergence, growth, peak, saturation, and decline. Strategic streamers identify hashtags during emergence phases, maximize usage during growth phases, and transition away before saturation reduces their effectiveness. Competitive hashtag analysis reveals opportunities your direct competitors might be missing. By studying which hashtags successful streamers in your niche use consistently versus experimentally, you can identify both proven strategies worth adopting and gaps in coverage you can exploit. This intelligence gathering should inform your own hashtag experimentation and optimization efforts. Building hashtag variations and synonyms expands your discoverability without appearing spammy. Instead of repeatedly using identical hashtag sets, develop multiple variations that target the same audience through different terminology. This approach helps you capture searches using various keyword combinations, while maintaining content relevance across different hashtag strategies. The psychology behind hashtag search behavior influences which tags actually drive engaged viewers to your streams. Users searching broad hashtags often browse casually and may not convert to regular viewers, while those searching specific niche hashtags typically have higher intent and engagement levels. Understanding these psychological differences helps prioritize hashtag investments for maximum return. Language and cultural considerations become crucial for streamers targeting international audiences. Hashtags that work effectively for English-speaking audiences might miss entirely different but equally valuable audiences searching in other languages. Bilingual or multilingual hashtag strategies can significantly expand your potential reach, especially in underserved linguistic markets. Hashtag trend prediction involves identifying emerging topics before they become mainstream, hashtag opportunities. This requires staying current with news, entertainment, gaming releases, and cultural phenomena that could translate into increased search volumes. Early adoption of trending hashtags can provide significant visibility advantages before competition intensifies. The integration of hashtags with your overall content strategy ensures consistency between what your hashtags promise and what your streams deliver. Misleading hashtags might generate initial clicks, but result in high bounce rates and negative algorithmic signals that hurt long-term discovery. Authentic hashtag usage that accurately represents your content builds sustainable audience growth. Hashtag etiquette within the Bigo Live community affects your reputation and collaborative opportunities. Using overly competitive or inappropriate hashtags can damage relationships with other creators and potentially violate platform guidelines. Understanding community norms and respectful hashtag practices helps maintain positive relationships while pursuing growth objectives. Crisis management for hashtag strategies addresses what to do when your regular hashtags become associated with negative events or controversial topics. Having backup hashtag sets prepared allows you to quickly pivot away from problematic associations, while maintaining your discoverability efforts. This preparation prevents temporary hashtag issues from derailing your streaming momentum. Seasonal hashtag planning involves developing comprehensive strategies aligned with calendar events, holidays, and predictable trend cycles throughout the year. Rather than reactive hashtag selection, proactive planning allows you to prepare content and hashtag combinations that maximize visibility during peak opportunity periods. The relationship between hashtags and Bigo Live's recommendation algorithm extends beyond simple search functionality. The platform uses hashtag data to understand content categorization and audience preferences, influencing which streams get recommended to users even when they're not actively searching. This means effective hashtag strategies can drive both direct discovery and algorithmic testing and optimization methodologies for hashtag performance require systematic approaches rather than random experimentation. A/B testing different hashtag combinations Tracking performance metrics over consistent time periods and isolating variables help identify which specific changes improve results versus those that don't impact performance. Long-term, hashtag portfolio development treats your hashtag strategy as an evolving asset rather than a static list, building diverse hashtag collections across multiple content categories, audience segments, and trend cycles provides flexibility to adapt quickly when opportunities arise or when current strategies become less effective. The future of hashtag optimization on Bigo Live likely involves increasing sophistication in algorithmic matching between hashtag intent and actual content delivery. Streamers who focus on genuine hashtag relevance and audience satisfaction, rather than gaming the system, position themselves better for algorithm updates that prioritize authentic content. Hashtag alignment. Advanced hashtag strategies also consider the compound effects of consistent, strategic hashtag usage over time. Regular use of relevant, well-researched hashtags builds domain authority within specific topic areas, making your streams more likely to rank highly for related searches, even when using new or experimental hashtag combinations. If this deep dive into hashtag mastery has illuminated the hidden potential lurking within those simple hash symbols, don't let this strategic knowledge get lost in the endless scroll of undiscovered content. Hit that like button if these insider hashtag secrets have equipped you to transform your Bigo Live discoverability from random chance to strategic precision. Subscribe to Duel of Concepts for more deep dives into the algorithms and tactics that separate successful creators from the invisible masses. And share in the comments your biggest hashtag revelation. Was it discovering that timing matters as much as tag selection? Learning that niche hashtags often outperform popular ones? Or perhaps realizing that your current hashtag strategy has been sabotaging your growth all along? Because in a digital world where visibility equals opportunity, mastering the art of being found might just be the hashtag that unlocks your streaming success.
This deep dive is pure idea candy. Like, subscribe, and tell us which concept made you giggle in the comments.